naman na nagkaanak. Gusto ko lang na maging proud sila sa akin. It's because, of course, you're going through, you've gone through a lot, di ba, bilang nag-iisang anak nila.
Yeah.
And hindi rin naging madali sa akin yung process ng paghiwalay nila. Kasi even if bata pa lang ako nung naghiwalay sila, syempre there were a few years na nakikita sila, maybe they were trying again. And nung bata ko, I was hoping na, oh, ito na yun. Yung pag nakikita ko sila na sumisilip-silip pa ako sa kung saan kami, pag silip ko gano'n, nagtatawanan sila. So, meron akong hope dati na, oh my God, parang magkakabalikan na sila. And yet, of course, alam naman natin na hindi naman yun nangyari na. So, bilang only child nilang dalawa, nagkaroon ako ng yung parang na yung meron akong fallen dream. Tama ba yung term? Na, okay, it's a fallen dream na parang hindi na to mangyayari. So, that was very hard for me growing up. Of course, para siyang sugat na ino-open ngayon. But, of course, time has passed and I love my mom's family and my papa's family. And then of course there are I wish I really would like for my mom and I to be best friends again. There's a lot of years that have gone by na syempre may mga distractions kami. And I know later on in life, we will be better than ever. Hindi mawawala yung pagmamahal namin sa isa't isa. And siguro one day, pag kinasal na ako, and I am the marrying type naman, and pag nagkaanak na ako, I would like to have children in the future. I think that will bring my mom and I closer than ever. And I want her to know na, alam mo yun, mahal na mahal ko siya. And loyal ako sa kanya. Yung talagang nanay
Ikaw
ko
ang unang-unang Sharon yan.
Oo. Tsaka, dugo niya, dugo ko. And, hindi ako, kung ang lola ko nga, inalagaan namin magnanay, what more siya? Alam mo yun? So, yun. Yun lang yung akin. Yun. So, excited ako for this concert. Kasi,
Lalo mo ako ini-excite, Case. Gusto ko na pumunta ng
pangarap ng Sharon Gabi in a way, parang, my God, kaya ba ako nandito? Di ba? Kasi, di ba, parang I feel like,
I would have thought